Happy evening all. Respected Impact Foundation founder Gampa Nageshwarrao garu, Mahakavi Sri Sri Group mentor Nakka Naveen garu, Mahakavi Sri Sri Group facilitator Butta Rajamallayya garu. Once again, happy evening all. Our topic is self-confidence. Self-confidence is nothing but believing in our work. We have to believe the work we do. Then only self-confidence is developed. We should not have negative attitude. We should have the positive attitude. Attitude is altitude. Attitude is altitude. So that through positive attitude, we can overcome the defect of inferiority complex. In inferiority complex, we may be afraid of seeing other seniors or great speakers, but we should not be afraid of others. We should be confident that I can do this work. I can speak. So through this positive attitude, we can overcome everything. Even sometimes some may be discouraged, but when we know our friends, we have to encourage them. Similarly, they too encourage us. So encouragement gives us self-confidence. So through that self-confidence, we can overcome the fear. And in the beginning, we may face some obstacles. We may face some difficulties. But one after the other, one work after the other work, we have to assess how we have done so far and what demerits we have done, what do we rectify. In the next time, we have to correct them. So self-confidence comes in our mind gradually by doing the work. So even we have to believe that the power is in us. We can do anything. We can do anything, not at a time, gradually. Practice makes the man perfect. So that we go on practice it. We keep on practice it. So gradually we develop the self-confidence in us. We should not be pessimistic. We should be optimistic. Pessimistic is a person who can see the fault in possible thing. The work is possible, but he searches for the only defect in that possible work. That person is called as pessimistic. Optimistic is a person who can search the goodness even in the impossible work. So he has a strong belief that he can do something positive. So that person is called as optimistic. So we should have optimistic qualities. Then only self-confidence is developed among us. many great leaders, the very beginning, they did not become the great leaders. By practicing, by doing the works repeatedly, by following the guidelines given by the elders or teachers, they followed and they became the great speakers and the great achievers. Similarly, we have to follow that. I will explain one example. There is a person, his name is Nick Vujicic. He was born in Australia and brought up in America. Now he became the famous international public speaker, motivational speaker. When he was born, he has no limbs at all. Only he has a trunk with head, that's all. That is called as, that body is called as, the body without limbs is called as torso. He has only a small foot with 2 toes at his thigh. He never became nervous. Of course, initially he might have become nervous, but with the help of his family members, relatives, mostly his friends, helped him, encouraged him. With that encouragement, he learnt swimming, surfing, golf, and he never give up his achievement. He became the world famous public speaker. He can impress millions of audience. Now we are learning his lessons. Similarly, Sudha Chandran, who acted in Mayuri film, you might have watched it. In that film, we saw that Mayuri broke his leg when accident happened. His leg was cut off. Initially, he lost all her hopes that she used to dance Bharatanatyam, classical dance, before accident took place. After accident, she lost her leg. But her dream, her goal, her aim is to regain the capacity of dancing. So in such case, she was very enthusiastic and she got hope. She wanted to dance again with the help of her well-wishers. She went everywhere where she gets positive attitude, and with strong determination, she recovered from the illness. Artificial leg was attached after operation, and she started again walking and after dancing. Finally, she reached her goal of dancing in Bharatanatyam, and now she has become the world famous dancer. So that if we have the self confidence, we can overcome the obstacles, whatever the obstacle it may be. So that self confidence is the weapon, or we can say instrument, which can stand as in a society in upper level, in top level. Thank you. Jai Bharat. Vande Mataram.